light it up. Hey. Talk big, back it up.
Pads on black tape, mouth guard. Whole block of my veins, I go charge. Please bite cold air in my lungs. I don't talk too much, I just run. Scoreboard staring in my face like a dare. Whole crowd loud, I don't fold, I don't care. I want contact, impact, helmets knock. I want chains all play off, kick that clock. Full quarter pressure on the fold, hit like a truck, hard ice veins go. Run through a wall just to prove I can't break. Line in my way, that's a high speed quick. Full quarter pressure, I was built for this. Teeth grit, slow breath, right before the hit. If I see daylight, that's an open gate. Won't feel mine when I accelerate. Turf, burn on my arms, I don't feel it. Whole week talking, now it's time to seal it. They point, they scream, I just read my key, snap sound, then I fly, then I freeze. Eyes locked, see the gap, then I burst. If you in my lane, you gon' land on the dirt. Film room, late nights, all for this drive on chase hype. I just grind and I ride. Full quarter pressure, I don't ever fold. Hit like a truck, hard ice veins go. Run through a wall just to prove I can't break. Line in my way, that's a high speed quake. Full quarter pressure, I was built for this. Teeth grit, slow breath, right before the hit. If I see daylight, that's an open gate. Whole feel mine when I accelerate. Let's go. Too many warning in my head, tick tick. Whole life training for this one big blitz. If I fall down, best believe I rise. End zone vision in both my eyes. Full quarter pressure, I don't ever fold. Hit like a truck, hard ice veins go. Run through a wall just to prove I can't break. Line in my way, there's a high speed quick. Full quarter pressure, I was built for this. Teeth grit, slow breath, right before the hit. If I see daylight, that's an open gate. Whole feel mine when I accelerate. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We don't wait. We take it. Fast life, no breaks, we go. From the dirt, now we run the show. No luck, just grind, just pain. Now we up, we break the chain. Cold nights, no lights, just fight. Now it's flash, big stage, bright lights. From the bottom to pro, we climb. No fear, this is our time. No stops, no doubts. We in, right now. We go fast, so we go hard. From nothing, now we go far. No fear, no limits, no stop. We aim for the top. We go fast, so we go hard. Turn a dream into real life now. From the street to the pro lights go. We don't stop, we go. We go. One shot, one chance, he took it. No fear, no doubt, just push it. From D to B, big step. Now we here, no rest. Every day he trained for this. Now he lives what dream is. No luck, just sacrifice. Now he plays under bigger lights. Dream, don't stop. It's real. Train fight. Pain. You feel. Push hard. No excuses. Top level. That's the goal. We choose it. Yeah. From the streets to the stadium lights. This is more than a dream. Let's go. Woo. Yeah. From the streets to vision so sharp when I look at the play. Dribble and moving, I'm breaking away. Top corner shot and the crowd goes insane. They scream my name again and again. Late night training, chasing the light. Champions League dreams every night. One dream, one goal, one fire inside. Champions League nights under stadium lights. From the streets with a ball and a dream to chase to the biggest arenas on the world stage. I score goals, hear the crowd explode. Every match another step on the road. One day the world will see the champion inside of me. Speed on the ball when I'm making my run, passing defenders like they are none. Precision shot like a bullet from a gun. Every single goal got